All right. Again, this is modifying the Drake T4X to accept 6146 finals. The hole is physically too small. The old socket goes into this hole, and the hole for the sockets I have has to be larger. So I found that I could metal fatigue off some of these flanges, and now I'm just kind of bending down some of the metal that's in the way. Just bend it down because I'm going to mount the socket from the top. It looks like the socket will now fit. So you can see it just kind of sets right in there. There's not much room of it flopping around. I'll take off this bolt and then bolt this socket in and see how it looks. So that's what I'm going to do now. And then we'll work on getting this socket in here. And then it's a matter of wiring up the socket on the bottom. And once all the heaters are wired and the screen resistors are in, it will be a matter of simply being careful and making sure that the voltages are correct so that the 6146s aren't destroyed with high screen voltage or bias that's wrong. So that's my worry. But I'm pretty happy with about an hour of work on this thing, and I was able to get the tube sockets out and get in these new two sockets. So I'm pretty happy with the progress. I didn't think it would be this easy, but well, we're not done yet, right? So the metalwork part was something I was not happy to be involved with, but it looks like it's going to work out. So I'm looking, that's a ground wire there. So yeah, it looks like we're going to be okay. 6146s might be riding a little high, but not terribly high. Let's see how these things look. 6146 versus the old sleep tube here. I guess I can assume that, yeah, it's not too much higher. This is probably going to be 2 millimeters. Now that'll be a little higher. That might be a cause of concern. I guess we're going to find out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.